Two world-class coaches from Hull City are in the country for a 2-week scouting and selection mission ahead of the first ever football match between a Premier League team and an African side to be played in February 2017. The coaches who arrived in the country on 4th of November will, among other activities, attend league matches and training sessions to aid them select 50 players from the 16 Kenya Premier League teams that will later on head for a training camp in January 2017. The coaches will work closely with the Kenya Premier League coaches and the Football Kenya Federation and other football stakeholders in selecting Kenya's top talent.
City is a coach now, and we've been asked by Sportspesa to come over and select the best Kenyan players for a team to come and play against Hull City in England. So we're here for a couple of weeks to watch as many training sessions and matches as we can and try and select some good players to come to the UK.